Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to paint a metal bee. My father actually made this metal bee for my birthday and left it plain so I can paint it. So the first thing you want to do is tape off the wings. Once you get done taping off the wings, we're going to start to spray paint. These were the two colors I used for this project. So I took my bee outside and I laid it down and I spray painted the base yellow. Now make sure you put down a trash bag because my mom didn't really like the driveway getting spray painted yellow. I did about 2 to 3 coats of yellow spray paint, but I let it dry for 10 minutes in between coats. Once you're done spray painting your bee yellow, wait 24 hours for it to fully dry. Once it's completely dry, we'll start to tape off the bee again on where it's going to have its little stripes. Once you're done taping it off, we'll go in with our black spray paint and spray it all completely black. I did about 2 coats of black and I waited 10 minutes in between coats. Once you're done spray painting the bee black, wait 24 hours so it can completely dry. Once it's dry, remove the tape, mark out where you want the veins of the wings to go, and then go over that with some Posca pen. Once you're done drawing the wings on your bee is done. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. And leave a comment with a blue heart if you guys made it completely through the video.